how to add iPad to Find My iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. And the cool thing is you can do it with any iPad you have and any iPhone as well. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure your Find My is on. So go to your settings, then go to Find My, and just make sure Find My iPhone's on. Then after that, go to the Find My application. Then once you're here, all you want to do is just go, I'm just going to go ahead and enlarge my devices. As you can see, iPad is one of my options right there. So all I want to go ahead and do is click on the plus icon on the top right. I'm going to see AirTag, a MagSafe accessory or other item. What I want to do is other item right there, and it's going to be searching for your iPad. It's going to be made by obviously Apple. And yeah, then it's going to locate the iPad. And then once it does, it's going to be added to your Find My application, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.